What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Auto Fix Nation back here for another video. This is dealership walk around number 1, and here's what's on my list: a 2018 GMC Acadia Denali, which I know some of y'all are not gonna like this, but we're considering buying it. We're not even sure what we want. We just wanted to look at it because it's only 24 and it's got 99,000 miles. It's a Denali. It's got everything, you know. It's fully loaded. There's some of the interior. It's got 20-inch wheels. It's got, I don't even see, crossover Mojave. I've never even heard of those. Got a little bit of brake dust on it, slash rust. Here it is on the back. And all these wheels are starting to peel, but it's got a matching set of tires. I mean, it's pretty nice for what it is. I like it. I know some of y'all won't, but I like it personally. And I'm just gonna run and gun it, as Auto Auction Rebuild says. He runs and guns it. I'm just gonna find what I like and show y'all what I'm looking at. And the next on my list is a Chevy Tahoe No, it's not a Premier. It's a LT. I like it. I drive this sucker. This is nice. Look at them wheels. It's got a matching set of Bridgestone tires. What size are these wheels? They're 22s. Dang. That's pretty big. It's only an LT. I don't know if it's a 1LT or a 2LT. It's pretty nice. It's got the movie screens in the back. Rear climate. I mean, I like it. I drive this. Dang. Wonder how much this is. I might pick this up. That's pretty nice for what it is. I mean, you got to think about it. I mean, it's only a Tahoe. I mean, it's not a high country. It's a LT. So, I mean, that's pretty nice. Needs a cleaning. But, I mean, this is just in the bullpen. We're in the bullpen right now. We're not even on their lot, really. Ooh, gross. What did they pour all over the seats? Gross. I don't even want this anymore. I mean, so yeah, that was gross. Glad I don't get to smell it. But this, I hope you'll like. Now we have a BMW X6 M Competition. So it's an M Sport X6. Now I say that's pretty nice. I drive this. And what is it? What size are these tires? These are where does it say? They're Pirellis too. That's expensive. That's nice though. Sucker's nice. Oh my god. Look at that interior, guys. I don't know if y'all can see it. Hold on, let me turn on the light. Yeah, maybe I'll see it now. Yeah, y'all can't see it. We can see in the front, though. That's pretty nice. It's red. Love that red. That is awesome. Ooh, I'd love this. I wonder how much it is. 2023? Good Lord, this is so new. Oh, my God. I love this sucker. Look at that. That's so nice. What did they do? What BMW? What did you do to these mirrors? Why did y'all do this? I don't understand. Like, why the little wing? It doesn't help. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh. Oh, it's got dual it's got dual panoramic sunroofs. And this is nice. That's really nice. It's $108,000. Yeah, I don't think so. Oh, I like this. It's a Ford F-150. It's an XLT, but I'll say for what it is, it's pretty nice. Yeah, it needs a whole repaint. No, I take that whole thing back. I take everything I said about this one back. Dude, you decided to do that to the mirror? That is just... Nope, what this is good for is a hunting truck. That's it. I would not like to detail this. And it's a small cab anyways. Yeah, this truck was trashed. And these wheels, I don't like them. I really don't, because they just look ugly on this truck. Yeah, this sucker's tore up. Well, let's see what's in, we'll just walk around and see what's here and what we like. These are nice, except they're expensive. I like it though. Next we got a 2011 Buick Lucerne CXL. It's only got 45,000 miles, and it's $15,000. It has sat for a little bit because there are some dry rot on the tires, but it's got a matching set of tires. That's pretty nice. And it looks like no one's ever sat in the back seat, though, to be honest. I mean, it looks really good. No sunroof. I don't even know if it has heated seats, does it? It looks like it doesn't, but it may. I don't know. I haven't been in one inside of these. I used to have a Cadillac DeVille. And yes, I know what you're going to say. Oh, does it have the North Star? It did. Bought it with 50,000 miles, too. Run like a brand new car. I mean, we kept that thing for forever. And then we finally sold it. But, I mean, I will always never hate on the North Star. Because it'll run if you treat it right. But if you break them, it will not run. And yes, I know the head gasket problem. We never had that because we serviced it. I mean, we actually took it and haven't had it serviced. We replaced the coolant every year and everything. We did everything. So, yeah, I'll never hate on the North Star. No matter what y'all say, I'll never hate on it. Ooh, a GMC Denali Sierra 2500 HD Ultimate. This sucker's nice. Look at them big old tires. Goodyear Wranglers. That sucker's nice. I love this color too. Deployable bed step. Running boards. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. I could drive one of these. Sunroof. Oh yeah, this sucker's nice. This sucker's real nice. I wonder what the MSRP is. It's got the whatever that is. I forget. Multi-functional tailgate. This is $97,000. I don't know if you can see that, but it is. Yeah, it's $97,000. Woo! It's an Ultimate Duramax. Look at that. This sucker's nice. It's a 2500. Oh, that's nice. It's got those front cameras. I love those. These suckers are nice. I actually like this. It's a 2023 GMC Sierra Denali. I love that interior color right there, though. It's really nice. It's got 4-wheel drive. It's got the trailer tow mode. That's nice. $80,000. I'd rather spend the extra $17,000 and get the 2500. That's nice. It's nice though. I mean, but I don't believe it's worth $80,000 for only a 1500. It's got a spray-in bed liner. Yeah. What are the size on these? 22s. They're 22s. I love this, though. I will say that. I do like this. I mean, $80,000, though, for a 1500. I really don't prefer that, to be honest. Yeah. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to close out the video. I will see y'all tomorrow for another video. And thank you.